Okay, today's topic is various functions in SQL. They are string functions. String functions are string means string is a sequence of characters enclosed in double quotes or single quotes treated as string. Strings are mainly used to change the case of strings, converting to uppercase to lowercase or lowercase to uppercase or title case to lowercase, sentence case to lowercase or toggle case to lowercase. We are combining two strings, we are reverse string and extract various parts of strings. We can use various different types of strings. Okay, here ASCII string function one. ASCII stands for American Standard Code Information Interchange. American Standard Code Information Interchange. Here we are using here ASCII values. Select means it is a DML command. We are retrieving data from the GL table. Here ASCII American Standard Code Information Interchange. Here sequence of characters. Here S is a certain single quotes. Single quotes means sequence of characters in sequence of characters enclosed in single quotes treated as string from GL. GL is a predefined table. It is a dummy table. Okay, we are fetching ASCII value. Simply says we are select ASCII American Standard Code Information Interchange M small m from GL. We are fetching ASCII value of small m. Output is 109. Select ASCII of capital M. Capital M value, capital M ASCII value is 77. Okay. Select. Keyboard contains alphabets, digits, and special symbols are there. SELECT. Select ASCII of a ampersand symbol from GL. Ampersand value is 38. Your keyboard contains different types of keys are there. Select ASCII of 2 from GL. Second, 2 character ASCII value is 50. Like this. Here, select means retrieving data from the GL table. ASCII means American Standard Information Interchange. It is a standard format. American Standard Code Information Interchange. The keyboard contains different types of keys are there, alphabets, digits, and special symbols also. Everyone having a ASCII value. Yeah, how to fetching the ASCII value means here we are using select ASCII of a character from GL. Character means it is the alphabet or digit or special symbol or something. Okay. Then another string function is lower. Lower is a string function. It converts character data into lowercase. Here, select the lower of Soumya from GL. Select the lower of Soumya from GL. Select lower of. Here we are using uppercase. Naveen is a very good player in cricket. Okay, from GL. We are converting uppercase to lowercase. Okay, another one, select lower of. Naveen is a very good player in cricket from GL. We are converting it is a sentence case to lowercase. This is the lower case. This is the sentence case. Convert into lower case. Select lower of. Select lower of. Navi is Navi is a here. This is the title case. Title case means every word starts with every word first letter uppercase. Remaining characters are lowercase. Converting. Okay, here single quotes is missing. Here answer we are getting single quote from 0. We are converting to. So this is the uppercase to lowercase. This is the sentence case to lowercase. This is the title case to lowercase. This is the title case to lowercase. Here one more case is there. Toggle case. Select lower of. There are 5 different cases are there. We are converting to uppercase to lowercase, title case to lowercase, toggle case to lowercase, sentence case to lowercase, something. We are converting these cases. And one more string function is there, that is the upper. Here uppercase converts data into uppercase. It convert character data into string data into uppercase. String means sequence of characters, any type of data. Okay, here we are giving example. Select upper of 18 G21 from 19 G21 G21 A0 584 from 0. Here we are converting. This is the string. String means sequence of characters when closed in single quotes. A combination of alphabets, and digits also. We are converting uppercase. We are converting uppercase. Here there are 5 cases are there. Title case, toggle case, uppercase, sentence case, like this. This is the lower case. We are converting something. Here, this is the another one. Select UPP upper of. Select upper of. Here we are converting. This is the sentence. Sorry, this is the sentence case. Sentence case means sentence starting word, starting character caps, remaining all are small. Okay, it is converting to uppercase. Okay, select upper of. Select select upper of. Select upper of. from 0. We are converting lowercase character to uppercase. There are 5 cases are there: title case, sentence case, toggle case, something like this. We are converting to one case to another case. That is the uppercase. Here select upper of Soumya from GL. You select it is a DML command. Upper is a string function. Upper of here string value is Soumya. String value is Soumya from GL. Okay, and another one is there. Length. Length is also another string function in SQL. Length is also another string function in SQL. It returns the length of the character string. It returns the length of the character string. Select length of Soumya from GL. Output is 6. Select length of. Here length CLECT select LENGTH length of Karthik from GL. The Karthik length is, it returns the Karthik length is 7. 7 characters are there. It is the length. Select the length of Karthik from GL. Karthik is a string total. Okay. Select LENGTH length of string 80, 19, G21, A0, 575, 575 from GL. Total length is, string length is 10 characters. String length is 10 characters. Character means either alphabet or digit or special symbol. Either alphabet, digit or special symbol. Okay, then here one more command is there. Here one more string function, that is the ltrim. Ltrim means we are removing left side unnecessary data. We are removing left side characters. Here in this example, select ltrim of Soumya is the string. Soumya is the string. Here SO, how many characters we can left side from GL? Simply says select L. So we are trimming south from 0. Here we are trimming 3 characters left side. Genya only displayed. Same thing, we are using select or we are trimming right side. We are trimming right side. Select R trim of Soumya South. We are trimming these 3 characters. We are trimming right side characters from GL. Select R trim of, we are trimming right side. Genya is removed. Displayed output is so. Is the LT means we are trimming left side characters. RT means we are trimming right side characters also. Right side characters. Level trim and R. And one more thing is there, LPAD. Or LPAD is also another string compared string function. LPAD is also string function. We are adding some additional information to existing string. Here select the LPAD of Sai. Sai is the string. 7 is the total string length. The remaining characters are equal to star. Okay, select the LPAD of LPAD left side padding. We are adding left side information. Saujanya. Sweta is the string. Total string length is 10. String length is 10. We are adding additional characters. Hash @ symbol from 0. Here select LPAD of Sweta is the string. Total string length is 7. We are adding left side. We are padding. We are adding @ symbol. Here output is where total Sweta character is Sweta string length is 6. Total string length is 7. We are adding left side @ 4 times. @ 1, 2, 3, 4. Of Sweta. Sweta. This is the LPAD. Here same thing RPAD. Same thing. RPAD. Here we are adding right side. Here we are adding right side. Same string length is 10 characters. Sweta is the string. String length, total string length is 10 characters. We are adding, we are appending at the end of the right side. LPAD and RPAD. LPAD, RPAD. And one more function is the substring, substr. String start index length. String start index length. Okay, this is also another string comparison, string function in SQL. Select substr of string this is the string. We need 50 character, starting index character 5, starting index character 5, and how many characters we require? 6 characters from GL. Select substr of Ramarakshita to starting index value 5 to how many characters we need? Here Raksh 1, 2, 3, 50 characters. Here 50 index position is R. Here to total 6. This is the starting position. Here to where we require 6th character. 1, 2, 3, 4. R is the 6th character, 5th position. Total we require 5 characters. Here start index length. Okay, select substr of three characters, 3 and 4 from 0. Okay, 3 is the starting position and 4 characters. W, J, N, A. This is the starting character. 3 is the string starting position. 2, 4 characters. W, J, A, N. W, J, A, N. Once again, CLE is in select substr substring of Naveen 4, 3 from 0. The 4th character is E. 3 characters are E, N. E, N. This is the substr. These are the string functions in SQL. Various string functions in SQL and numeric functions. Here numeric functions. Numeric functions is also called number functions. Numeric functions is also called number functions. Here ABS. ABS means absolute value. This function returns absolute value of a given string. This function returns absolute value of a given string. Here select ABS of 125,6, 125.6 from GL. Here we are using numeric function. This is the string functions. String is enclosed in double quotes or single quotes. Now we are discussing numeric function. Select is the DML command. ABS is the numeric function in SQL. We are fetching absolute value. from GL table. GL table is a predefined table. It is a dummy table. It works single line instructions only. Okay, this is the absolute value. Absolute value is 125.6. Here absolute value returns, this function returns a value, absolute value of a given string. This function returns absolute value of a given string. Okay, and for another numeric function is round off mn. We are rounding some value. This function returns a numeric value after rounding a value m with n position after decimal point. Here select round off m comma n from GL. Select round off 9.55 comma 6 from GL. It returns the 9.55. Let's see, Control C, Control V. 9.55. This is also another numeric function. Okay, and another third one, ceil. Ceil is also another numeric function. This function returns the ceiling value of a given floating point value. Ceiling value. Here, Control C. Ceiling value means higher value. Select ceil of 56.5 from GL. It returns the 57. Next, select ceil of 56.2 from GL. So then output for select ceil of 56,
56, sir.
50 ceil value 57 only. Ceil value means highest value. Okay, ceil value means highest value. Okay, select floor is also another. Floor value means least value, lowest value. Floor value 56.5 from GL. Select floor of output is select SELEC. Select floor of 56.56 from GL. Floor value is 56. Okay, floor value is 56. Select floor of 56.2 from GL. This is the floor. It returns the floor value. Ceil value is the ceil value. This is the floor value. What is the difference between ceil function and floor function? Saujanya?
Sir, ceil function will returns the highest value, sir.
Okay.
Floor value returns the lowest value, sir.
Floor function returns the lowest value. Okay. Another numeric function is power. Power of m comma n. Power of m comma n. This function returns a numeric value after raising m to n value. After raising m to n value. Here select power of 5 comma 3 from GL. Output Ramarakshita. Select power of 5 comma 3. Sweta.
125.
125. 125 is the power. Okay, select power of 4 comma 3 from GL. This 4 to the power of 3. 64. 4 to the power of 3 is
64.
64. We are also having one more function, square root, SQRT, square root. Select square root of 4. Select SQRT of 625 from GL. Ramarakshita. Select SQRT of square root of 625 from GL. Saujanya?
25.
25.
25, sir.
25 is the square root of the function. That is also numeric function. And one more function is there, mod, numeric functions mod. So here, select mod of 27, 5 from Jewel. Select mode of 27 comma 2, 27 comma 5 from Jewel. Sweta. Output is
27, sir.
select mod of 27 comma 5 from GL. Mod function
2, sir.
2.
2.
Here, please listen, so Sweta. This function returns the remaining value after dividing the value m by value n. Are you clear? Select mod of 25 comma 5 divided by 0. Okay. Here, mod function returns the remaining value after dividing the value m by value n. Sweta, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Select mod of 31 comma 6 from GL. Sweta.
1, sir.
1. Output is 1 mod value. And one more function is the greatest. Here greatest values. How we are fetching the highest value. Here this function returns the greatest value among a list of values. This function returns the greatest value among the values. List of values. Here select greatest of 56, 86, 96. Output is
96.
Output is 96. Output is 96. Okay, and another numeric function is there. Another numeric function is there, list. Select a list of 57, 6, 76, 12 from GL. Means this function returns the least value among the list of values. List of values means 56, 76, 12. This is the list of values. We are fetching the here we are using least method, least function. This returns the least value. This function returns the least value among the list of values. Output is 12. 12 is the least value. These are the numeric functions. These are the numeric functions in SQL. Okay, now another topic is date functions. Here date functions is date function. It includes examples to give a solid feel for how you can put the function to use in your programs. This part is used to programming environment. We are adding add 2 months. Some salary is there. We are adding from 2 months salary extra, 2 months salary bonus like this. We are adding additional 2 months or something like this. Here add months, add underscore months. Add underscore months is also another date function. It returns a new date with the specified number of months added to the input date. Added to the input date. Add underscore months function returns a new date with the specified number of months added to the input value. Syntax here, add underscore months of system date. SYS date means system date. Comma, how many months do you want to add? Here 2 months. From GL. GL is the dummy table. GL is the dummy table. Here select add underscore months. Add underscore months, SYS date. SYS date means system date. From how many months do you want to add? 3 months. From GL. Here select add underscore months of. Select add underscore months of system SYS date means system date from GL. Here current date to we are adding 3 months. 7th October. Current today's date is 7th. Select SYS date from GL. Today's date is 7th July 2021. We are at 3 months, adding 3 months. The SYS date means system date. Adding 3 months are we are adding. Output is 07 October 2021. 07 October 2021. And another date function is there. That is the last underscore day. Last underscore day. This function returns date of the last day of the month. Last day of the month. Last date. Okay. Last date of the month. Just simply select last underscore date. Last underscore date of SYS date from GL. Okay, last underscore day. SELECT last. Select last underscore day of SYS date from GL. This month last day is 31 July 2021. Last day here. Last day return the day of the last day of the month for a given date. Given date is system date. System date is 7/7/2021. 7/7/2021. Here another function is months underscore between. Months underscore between is also another date function. It returns the months underscore between function calculates the number of months between two dates. Number of months between two dates. Here select months underscore between of day 1 comma day 2. From GL, it returns the number. How many days? Simply select months underscore between of. SYS date. SYS date means current date. To some 07 October 2021 from GL. Output is 3 months. Gap is system date is 7th July 2021. Gap between these two dates. Here we are using months underscore between function. Select is we are retrieving the data. Months underscore between is the function. It calculates the months gap between these two dates, date 1 date and date 2 date from GL. Here select months underscore between of the date is 07 July 2021 comma 07 OCT 2021 from 0. Okay, months underscore between. This is also on the date function. Okay, this is also another date function. And the next underscore D is also another date function. Next underscore date. Here next underscore date of date in date, something, whatever we did. Select next underscore date of system date from Friday. Next Friday. It returns the next Friday value. It select next underscore date of SYS date, system date. System date means select next underscore day of SYS date Friday from here. Next Friday date is 9th July 2021. Select next underscore day of SYS DAT. System date means current date. Sunday from GL. Output Saujanya. Saujanya output. Hello. Sweta.
11 July
2021.
July
11 July 2021. Next date. And another one system date. System date means SYS date. It returns the current system date. Select SYS date from GL. These are the SQL date function.